What up, guys? I had to come hop back in. I thought we were finding some support here. Drawing some fib levels on the chart, looking for a little bit of a bounce back. Um, we'll see. But I had to hop in a trade here. Just entered it and just got live for y'all in 3 contracts. Um, see what we got going on if we can break above this 21 EMA here. Get a push up to 74. I think that's where I'd take off to. I do not even have the book map up in front of me because I just came back to my computer after walking my dog and saw this opportunity. We'll see if it plays out. Not liking it here. I wanted that push above the 21 EMA on that last minute or 2 minutes ago. We're only having a small stop. Luckily, it's a good kind of position here. So it's a small stop that we're able to put on the table, just under 300. We get another push up to the 21 EMA. I'm gonna raise my stop to break even and just say screw it. So a push above the 70 is what we're looking for, and then we'll raise it. $70.5, and then we're up to slow 68. It's getting tight here. The squeeze between 70 and 68, 2 point squeeze about. All right, I ain't risking this anymore. It either breaks out now or it doesn't. Come on. Just looking for a little continuation up here. I know I'm gonna get stopped out and then it's gonna push up. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Stopped out. It is what it is. It is what it is. I thought I came back and had a little move with some support here. Maybe we'll play this level. See if we can get down here. That way we're only playing $50 contract. Doing this. Oh shit. I meant to do a freaking stop. Now we go. See? About to rally. Hopping back in. A little higher than I wanted. This is why I shouldn't have raised my stop. We're gonna try to size in if we come down a little bit again. Or bring our average. Low volume. Low volume here. I think there's a good chance if we do break above this 50 EMA here that 74 and then potentially even 78 and like maybe some upwards. More upward. Alright, let's see. Hmm. Lesson learned. I shouldn't have raised my stop. Should have just sat on it for some more time. Next level of liquidity to the upside that I'm seeing is where I'm have my take profit 74 and just above that. Downside 68, just above that. Interesting. I don't like that. Taking that contract off. I'll go lower. Still not sure I'm the biggest fan of this move, but it's off of that adjustment. Put it, take profit just below there. I'm gonna switch these to OCO orders. Should have kept my original position size at 69, I think. It's better. 69.5. We're having trouble pushing anything up. It's really not looking too great. Let's see what we got going on the book map. Come on, a little something. And I mean, if we break above, like, I'm taking profit here just to take profit. I'm not really risking with the downward move much to the upside. I mean, I could take two off and put my stop at break even, and then have one kind of just right out, which I might do, but it's also could be just easier to take it off and let the rest of the day figure itself out. And I'll be on the profit side and relaxing. So we're still using some support here. Can we still have this opportunity to come up? It's looking a little bit better. There we go. Say that and then it does that. I'll do a keep it 3. Thinking there's a good chance above this level we can go to at least 78. But we're still pushing down with lower highs. High, lower high, lower high, lower high. Low, lower, low, lower. Just flat. Ugh. Wanted to come back on for one easy trade, but it's not going that way. It just doesn't seem to be working that way. This is why sometimes I like to just come on, do a quick trade, and get off and not risk giving profit back. Starting to think that we should have gone up by now if we were going to do so. This has been accumulating since 10:40. Almost an hour. 40 minutes. Breaking down here. This isn't good. It's looking like, if anything, we could just get a move below and then come back above, and then that would be the time to buy in. Back above 68.5. See how this plays out. And do I wish I had the capital to move markets. Just go down contracts on contracts. Back above the 70 area. Point of control just got adjusted down, which is good. Good for bears. Not for me. It could go both ways, honestly, but usually pretty bearish. Alright, so we're pushing back above the 70 here. Oh, this was too risky of a trade to come back after being up so much this morning. Alright, it looks like we got people in the video. I'll let y'all decide in chat if I should if we hit this profit target of 73.75, should I leave one on and only take two off, or should I take all three? I'll be moving my stop up, or just keep it, take profit for the other two. I'll be fine. If we get up here, I'm gonna do it for the views. Take two off if we get up here, and then go. I have an OCO order open. Let's take that off. So go 78 for the big kahuna. Big cheese. Just looking for these retracements. Simple trading. Saw some support here after this move down. Looking for a retracement. Don't want to get too greedy because we could break this. So I'm hitting the first retracement. Well, we're breaking above these EMAs here, testing this little spike at high of 72.25, so we're pushing up on that kind of area. Getting a little bit of motion in the ocean. Every time I say something good, it comes down. Every time I get confident, say we're finally getting some movement. I got my finger on the close trigger, to be honest. I'm just over it. Watching for that 70.25 push down, and if we do, I'm likely gonna close out of this trade. Adjusting stop with this push. Now all I need is that 73.75 area hit. At least unlike options, I don't have decay working against me. Come on. Come on, be a sweet little shove. Ay, ay, ay. 0.75 away. Touched on the 73, so we got to 0.75 away. It just needs that little push, that little oomph. Catching some liquidity here at 73.25, seeing a bunch of contracts pop up there. Yeah, just watching that on the tape and the book map. I'm gonna be smart about it. Take off one there where I saw that liquidity. Definitely gotta start taking some profit. It's getting a little rocky here. Little Rocky Balboa here. You're right on 73. Just get me out of that. All right, so we took one off, taking some profit. This is just a small little scalp trade, so we're not looking mainly for a big runner on my last one I'm gonna hold, but we're just looking for this little move here on top of the profit we already had this morning. This morning I caught um on my last contract over 10 points. I don't even remember what it was in total, but around here to 78. So 85 to 78. So didn't hold all of my contracts that whole way, but gotta adjust the stop to 2 contracts. I don't even know what I'm at right now. Profit. Let's check. Right? All I really want is to make sure to get this second contract off here. After that second contract, don't really care about the third. I'm just gonna let it run to 78. I'll set up an OCO order once this one hits. If we're rejecting the 73.25 level again, I might take it off early. We're watching it here as we come up. Being real patient with this hour-long consolidation here. Real patient. So it's looking like buyers are pushing it up, but giving it 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes to push through the 73. This minute and the next. So this candle and the next to push to my target. I changed my mind, guys. I'm gonna take it off there. All right. I mean, we're probably gonna go up here, but I'm securing 2 contracts of profit, which is totally okay. And now I can set up the last order. So I'm doing OCO order. Might adjust this in a second. This to 78. Gonna see if we get more of a run on this side. Do I do 60 below the main level? Because I have a feeling we can just come down and then come up. But do here just to 75, 72. So I'm gonna do, yep, exactly what we're at is fine. Alright, that'll be my last area. Hmm. Adjusting my stop up. Wishy-washy here. I'll just leave it. Leave it like I said. Actually, a lot of boring at this level down here. Oh, I'm seeing 300 contracts in the 78 area. Someone's got the right idea. 150. So I'm okay with getting stopped out. I'm trying to get off. Comfortable with the profit I made today. Looks like it's keeping me just barely alive here. Oh, I got stopped out. All right, I'm back off again, and I'm okay with that. All right, till tomorrow, guys. Good luck for the rest of the day trading, and I'm out of here.